questions, these questions. Okay, right. So now, last class I have discussed one question and gave one question, that is separate. So I have discussed something to identify this and I think this one, isn't it? Both in Mealy and Moore. We have discussed this, isn't it? Yes or not?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, I kept Mealy and Moore both together, right? And I told you, check out all the possibilities in that Mealy as well as Moore, each one separately. Then afterwards, even if you start any sequence in between also, other than these sequences, the output should not be equal to 1. Did you check that? Because see, this particular machines is logically very rich. Why? Because there are no rules here. It is only about taking paths, which way to go, and it's very close to programming. It's what the programming style is, isn't it? So that's why we have minimal rules to follow, and afterwards decision making should be done. Right. So when you have kept those two, and did you verify whether we are getting any other option, like for example, other than this sequence, like this is any time if these 4 numbers are coming, like 1 is coming or not, output. Did you check that? No, na? Or is it yes?
Ma'am, I solved both the question again and checked every step.
Okay, every step. So did you work out? Like, see, like verification, just let me, I have that one. I'll just copy it. Right, I think yesterday, this is 0010, no, 0010 and this is what, yeah? We are distant, isn't it? Just a second. I'm copying that same thing. Yesterday, Mealy we have working and overlapping also is taken, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Two bit overlap.
Yeah, I'll complete it. Because I have kept it also. So that I have to tell you how the verification will be. So we have S4 taken. Then afterwards I have path to S2, I have path to S1, right? And I have path to S0 also. Yeah. Right. So then 1001. Since yesterday we have discussed already, I'm just quickly keeping it so that I have to tell you where I have to verify, how to verify it. 10, right? 00. Then afterwards, I think all the parts are done almost. I think all the parts are done. Yeah.
Ma'am, that was wrong.
This was wrong.
Ma'am, from S2 1 and 0, from S2 to S0, that was wrong.
That was wrong.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
the
that was
arrow
wrong.
from S2 to S0.
S2 to S0 is this part. So that was wrong. And what is taken there, by the way?
S1 to S0 is there for 1 0.
Oh, that is there already. S0 to S0 is there. From S2 you tell me. Oh, that is it. Oh, this is not there. No, we have already done. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, I have cut that. I didn't check this. When we do, it is like really gripping. When we copy, I don't like that. Okay, right. Now hold on. Why I gave you this again, repeated this. See, other than these two, we should never get output 1. Let us consider, like I will start from here. Just like that. In between the machine also I can start. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. That means it is a detected series. So that is output 1. Right. Okay. Now, if I start here, start means not reset position. If I start here, 0, 0, 0, 1. Detected. Correct. So 1, 1, 0, 0. For example, 1, 1, 0, 0. It is output is after 1, 1, 0, 0. Output is 0 only. That means it is an undetected series, which is not there in our syllabus. I mean, we don't want that, isn't it? So like that, any place you start, other than these two, the output should not be after completion of the 4 bits. Output should not be 1 other than for these two. Please check that. That is again another validation. Yesterday I forgot to tell you guys. Right. So now, Swaroop, you have done something. Okay. So hold on. First, Mile is done. For the same thing, Mure is not done. Did you people do Mure for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, in this particular one now onwards, I'll point out they have to explain. They have to post it and explain. That is the best idea because we should understand. Even if you say wrong, also no problem. Right, you people have to explain these things. Then only it will be interesting. Now, anywhere you check for this Mile, is it working out? Is it working out? Anywhere you start. For example, here 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. Output is 0 only, ultimately after 4 bits. So it is not detected. Correct only, no? According to this. So anywhere you start, other than these two, the output should not be equal to 1. That is 100% it should be valid. Please try to understand. This is Mile overlap we have done. Right, Mile overlap for detecting 2 sequences at a time. This is 2 sequences at a time we did, isn't it? Yes or no? Now for the same question, I want Moore diagram. Right. So how many of you have done? So if anybody has done, can you post it if you are confident enough? Because after Moore, I will go and discuss Swaroop, whatever you have told. I will discuss that.
Ma'am, the Mure for this is also discussed in the class.
In the class discussed. Oh, okay. Sorry. So now let's start the new one. Okay, fine. I forgot completely. From morning, I have a marathon classes going on. I'm serious enough. Okay, Moore is already discussed. How many states do we have that for that? Because I don't teach.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, go ahead for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, to check that 0001, ma'am, if you start from S0
S0.
and
Okay.
like then S0 0, then we will come to S1. Another 0.
001. Correct.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, S0 to itself there is a like 00, right?
Oh,
On the
0, 0. It is rotating here only.
Yes, ma'am. So 0, then we'll come to S1 0, then to S2 0, then to S4 1. Then it should give out the output as 1, but it's coming 0.
Oh.
Hello. Ma'am, I'm not audible.
This is 1 by 0.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nobody.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. You tried to point it out. Good on. Right. So now Moore is also done. Wait, for Moore, how many states we got? S5 states, or S6 states, I guess.
S6. 6.
S0 to S6, isn't it? We completed these two detecting. In that also you can have a cross verification if you have the, what? Circuit with you. Cross verification like this only. Please do. If you want to check. Then afterwards, Swaroop, we will discuss that. Swaroop has told something. Let's discuss. I am so curious to discuss that. Okay. Swaroop, I am just keeping that here. Is that okay? I'll download and keep it as share. Is that fine? Or everybody can do that also, no problem. Horrible internet is going on from morning, and we have meetings also. Nonsense going on. Yeah. Now, Swarup has done something. Let's discuss on that. Anybody else also have done? No problem. Now, see, everybody, please do participate. Oh, again. I think I can't also. This is the maximum. Okay. This is the best. Okay. Now here what he has done 101 and 1010. Everybody on? See, now we have to follow this. So A, B, C, D he has taken. Okay, anyway, let's see how he has proceeded. So 1, 0, 1. Okay. So your output is 1. Right. So now then afterwards 1, 0, 1. 0 sequence of this coming back to this one. Okay, see. Okay. Right. Swallow?
Yes, ma'am.
You're there, right? Yours only is showing on. Is that fine? Relay. So then afterwards, for every path you have kept for A state 0, you have terminated there only. For B state, it is 1 comes, you have terminated. Why? We already have received 1, so it is in the same state. Right. Right. Then C is receiving 1 0 state. If 0 comes here, so we have mismatch, and that's why it is going to the reset state. Okay. Then D it is. So now 0 1 0. Now one question. Hold on. Everybody study relay. Afterwards you will see mode. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find
Yes, ma'am.
any like I was thinking from B, you just check B. If it starts from 0, 1 and 0, that also is getting detected. B to C, C to D and D to C. 0, 1, 0 is getting detected. Isn't it?
Ma'am, once
Yes.
again, once again.
No, wait. Anybody has pointed out or not, I don't know. B to C, C to D, C to D is there or C to B to C and C to D and B to C. D to C. In this path, 0, 1, 0, output is coming as 1. Just check that. That sequence is also getting detected. Now the question is whether those will be detected or not detected. That is what the problem is. Because there are these are two different sequences. One is a 3-bit and other one is a 4-bit. Right? Now, how harder you think? You'll be getting like this type of questions. Just see. Now another one, what I can point out is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, that is 0. 1.
Ma'am, another one is there. 1101.
Yeah, that is also getting detected. That's what I pointed out now. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now validation, how? How I will validate? Or can I have a state machine? Which, well, definitely not. This is exactly, I have taken that only, that question only. Now, can we do without overlap? I mean, I don't know. I will not give the answer. Serious, I know, but I will not give the answer. One has to really try. This is how we have to trigger our brains right now, but in this particular sequence only. See, 101 and 1010. This both has to be detected, right? So one has produced like what Swarup has given some Miller circuit, but in that something else also are getting detected, isn't it? Check out. Only Miller, first Miller you check. So can we have an alternative for this?
Hello, ma'am.
Good effort, Swarup. Yeah, somebody else is telling me, ma'am. Who is that? Why
Ma'am,
girls are not there what in the picture? What happened to girls? Tell, please tell. Somebody is talking. Tell. No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not you. Somebody else. I think Abhijit is. Abhijit Nayak is talking something. He wanted to say something. Head mine?
No, ma'am.
No. Asjit, ready?
I am writing that in chat box.
Okay, you are writing the
Chat box.
Ma'am, he is writing in chat box. The chat.
writing the chat box. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, Swaroop, as of now, I think the sequence detection, some other sequences are also getting detected. What I can observe is. Somebody else? See, in a class of 89 or 91 are there, right? So this is a discussion class only because state machines have to be discussed and understood, right? Why nobody is pointing out? Swaroop has given an effort. Why nobody is suggesting an alternative for this? I cannot completely rule out. Partly it is correct. Isn't it? Ankit? Aishman? So, is crossover verification procedure same for NOL and overlapping? Okay. Cross verification procedure same for non-overlapping and overlapping. That's a good question. So for that, again go back to the starting question. Just a second. I'll answer that. With an example. I will answer with an example. Okay. So I have a sequence, right? So now verification. Since you mentioned that cross verification, I am trying to tell you. I have a sequence X. I have an output Y. Two cases, right? And my sequence is a continuous bits of zeros and ones will be coming. But my question comes there is, I have to detect 3 continuous ones. Carefully understand. 3 continuous ones I should detect. And for overlapping and non-overlapping. Is that okay? That's what is our aim. 3 continuous ones has to be detected. This is my detection and I will give you an X. Right. Then afterwards that question we can answer it from here only. Just a second. Wait, let me check out one example. Like this it goes on. Right. Now I'll go for a non-overlapping case. Right. In that case, here my output is this fine output? Non-overlapping. Just see.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Till this level. Is this fine? Non-overlapping.
Ma'am, we are taking 3 bit at a time and checking now.
No, that is what the point is. Not 3 bit. I am talking going bit by bit. Please hold on. See, not 3 bit. I have to, my criteria is after 3 ones are detected, then the output is 1. Okay, I am going bit by bit only. I am going bit by bit. Do you think that I have taken a window like this? No, no. I am going bit by bit. That's why the name, you see the tricky name, sequence. It is going sequentially. First bit comes, no point to detect here. Second bit comes, no point to detect. Third bit came. So that time a decision making is done. It doesn't mean that after 3 bits I am giving a decision. First bit also I gave decision, second bit also. Third bit is a crucial or a critical decision. Isn't it? That's how I can put the words. It's not like I will completely say that I am going 3 window. It's not like this. Is that correct? Is that correct or not?
Yes,
what I have explained.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if at all you say no, this after this here nothing should come. Here Then nothing should come. Only here it should come. But here also outputs are generated. This is indications. Please mute. Done? Right. So now there's a non-overlapping. If you check, is this correct output? Because this is the starting class. I presume that you understood. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now overlapping. So now overlapping. Is that correct? Overlapping.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me what is happening at this point, because this is the only crucial point which happened. At this point, what it is looking at? This bit entry is looking at already previous 2 bits, isn't it? Whereas here, what is happening? This is a new fresh window for it, according to this particular non-overlapping cases, isn't it? In an overlapping cases, this entry is already looking at the old entries, then afterwards generating a verdict. Is that correct? Yes or no? Right. So now, since you have taken this way, now the question of Hiranmaya or Ashwin, I don't know. Hiranmaya. So what he told is cross verification procedure same for non-overlapping and overlapping. Now you can answer from here. Cross verification. Now here I am detecting 3 ones or more than 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones consecutively, 3 ones or more than that, doesn't matter. Now we will cross verify it. How to cross verify it here? How to cross verify? Is
Ma'am,
it C? Yeah.
we can check for any other sequence that should not be detected. And
That should
if
not be detected.
output is coming 1.
Yes. So now that's one. So I'll put 3 zeros. Better option. If 3 zeros are coming, output should not be equal to 1 because the sequence detection is already done. Isn't it? So now cross verify it. See. Can I verify with the same input? We can do that. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
We have to change the input.
Yeah, that's all. We will give a fresh input. Better.
Yes, ma'am.
Fresh input we will take. I'll keep this. No, fresh input how we will do?
Ma'am, either we can give fresh input or we have to change the testing, means the pattern for which we are testing.
How pattern I have changed? 0 0 0. This is fresh one. This is a fresh one. Okay, now let's check. 0 0 1. So 1 0 1. Output is 0. Then afterwards, it's coming here 1. How it is possible? Hey, what is this testing going on here? Hey, testing, it should not be done like this. How you can change the sequence?
Ma'am, I was telling that in the
No.
previous.
You cannot test like this. Wait, we have to draw the state diagram and there we have to test. There we have to test. We have to draw the state diagram and there we have to test. Isn't it? Can we draw the state diagram for this, not for 1 1 1s? Let's see. For 1 1 1 detection, let's see the diagram. Okay? I'll erase this. For 1 1 1, let's start the diagram. For Mila only, I think only one sequence. Now you people also can complete.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Again, what happened? Drama started.
Ma'am, you were stuck for like in a while.
Yeah, that's what even I was not able to understand something else. I have completed the diagram also. I was explaining so much. Right. So I was just thinking. See, if at all this is done, 101 and 1. So this is for detection of consecutively 3 ones. Okay, this is the mirror diagram overlapping. So in our condition, we have to check these two. So I have to give fresh input X, and then for 101 and 1010, we have to give a verdict. Okay, so how for non-overlapping we will go? Is it okay? Now tell me, are we going in a 3 window or 4 window? Hello?
Three.
Why only 3? See, because 1 has come here means 3 window. 3 as well as 4 we are keeping a bar. Now 1010. Now here 1 I will put or 0 I will put.
One.
Why?
Zero. Ma'am, it's non-overlapping then zero.
This is what the question now what Hasan has asked. Sorry, Hiranmai has asked. Isn't it Hiranmai? Isn't it? That's what you asked, na?
Stuck.
Yeah. See, here what I should keep? That's the question. Because at this point, if you can check here, 1010 also has come. Till this point, 101 has come. If at all your 3 window, it ends here, na? What? What I am supposed to do? Help me out. Class, whole class is listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Help me out now. I am stuck there. See,
Ma'am, one should be there.
1 should be there. On what basis?
Because the second sequence is detected 1010.
But it is overlap sequence, na? Like if this is 1, 1011 is coming. This 1010 is detected. Isn't it? Okay, let's for time being we will take it 1010 because this 0 entry we are looking ahead to the all the last 3 and then taking it as 1, isn't it?
Ma'am, there should be zero.
Why?
Ma'am, because once the 3-bit sequence is detected, and if it is a non-overlapping machine, it will reset automatically after the final state.
Hmm.
So we cannot have 1 again.
So it should be 0. You are saying that. You are saying that it should be 0. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is a question, debatable now. That's why I keep it. Then afterwards, so 0, 1, 0, ding, ding. Then afterwards, now,
1.
what?
It will be 1. 1.
Why?
It will be 1.
Why? Because
101 is detected. Na? Now for this, it is same for previous case. Now 0, 0.
it is like that.
Ma'am, for 3.
Ma'am, that circle 1 should 0 na. You made it 0.
Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 0, it will be 0.
So
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that case, 1010 is never detected in non-overlapping, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
How it is possible here?
Ma'am, because 1010 already have the 3-bit sequence in it, so we can never detect it in non-overlapping case.
Okay. So some intelligent answer is coming out. So 1010 is already a part of 101 is a part of this. Once that is detected, once the sequence is detected, it is resetting, isn't it? That's why the fresh 0 is never detected, isn't it? That's what is your answer? Somebody told?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go for overlapping. How it will come? So overlapping. Right? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then here.
1.
Then
1.
then
0. 0. 0. 1, 1. 1. 1. 0.
huh? One. Here 0 1. Why it is 0?
No, ma'am. 1. Last one.
1. This is for overlapping. That much variation. Now is it a 2-bit overlap, 1-bit overlap? What overlap you followed? Hmm?
3-bit overlap.
3-bit overlap. See, the debatable question here. Is any sequence, I mean any other sequence will be detected in this case. Like see, just check out 101 and 1010. No, just check here. At this position, at this level, I am detecting 0101 also at this point. Forget about this. This is not there. Now this one is for time being out. Right. Since it is 1 here, now check here at this point. I am detecting 01011 also. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you check that? Identify that. See, at this point 1010 is detected. Fine, no problem. At this point, you are telling 101 is detected. I am able to see 0101 is also detected. At this point. Isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, at this point,
either we follow 3-bit or either we follow 4-bit. It's not
yes.
like
Yes, that's all. So now here at 0 point, you got 1 here according. So here at this one, I can see 0, 1, 0 is also detected. And 1, 0, 1, 0 is also detected and 0, 1, 0 is also detected. Isn't it?
So, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
like according to this, we can't detect 3-bit, 4-bit at a time. If we want to detect two codes, then it should be of same bit.
Yes, that is point number 1. That is definitely a lesson. Okay, definitely a lesson. But the second one, what did you say? Sorry, 2-bit and 3-bit at a stretch. Okay, just a second. I will try to violate this. This is clear, I guess. No, we had a good understanding here. Non-overlapping, leave it. Okay, we are not much interested. When we are looking into this, with our output, I can see different sequences are also getting detected. Swaroop, don't think otherwise. Your machine is correct only. What you have designed is correct only. But I was trying to point out it is detecting this. That's why I have clarified you people like this. Swaroop, you're there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
So
understood.
you have designed, but you have not observed that these sequences are also getting detected. You people can try different levels also, no problem. So try to detect
Ma'am,
one to one. Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to ask that when we are making milli machine, then uh, is it compulsory that number of states should be equal to number of bits? Can we
See,
take one extra state?
single sequence detection, number of states should be equal to number of this one. Single sequence detection means one sequence if you are detecting, generally, in general, number of states is equal to the number of bits. But in this ambiguity cases, like where we have a two sequences, that two different levels, like one is 3-bit, another is 4-bit, isn't it? So that time we cannot predict. We cannot predict how many states we should take. Okay, so you
Means
wanted
we
to
can
say,
take either 4, 5, anything.
yeah, take now. See, if you want to take, increase the number of states, no restrictions on that. Keep on increasing, no problem. Keep on increasing. Then afterwards, we may get state reduction afterwards. That's what yesterday class also I was telling. Right, because
Ma'am,
3-bit, yeah, please.
ma'am, when we detect only one sequence, in that,
Hmm.
uh, as you told that it is compulsory that number of states should be number of bits
In
to be
general, it
detected.
is that only. In general, it is that.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Because
general,
we can
minimum
also make
requirement is
state
that.
diagram. We
Hmm.
can also make a state diagram with one extra state uh,
Hmm.
that consists of that final sequence to be detected.
Is it so?
Means if we have to detect 101,
Hmm.
then we will take A B C. A is our initial,
Hmm.
B is 1, C is 10, and we can also take D as 101, and we can make that state diagram.
Yeah, that's what you are telling. A, like this, right?
Yes, ma'am. For 3-bit.
Yeah, right, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So then afterwards, for 0, we will have some other paths. This is at 1 state. This is at 10 state. This is at 101 state. You are telling that. Okay. So B, if it is 0, it is there. If 1, it is retaining here itself. 1 by 0. Isn't it? Then afterwards, let's see your argument also. So 1, it is there. If it is 0, it is 0. So where I should go? Right? Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So C is done. Now D body. If an extra 0 comes, not there, then 10 state. I think I can go to here. 1 comes. Will it work? Check out. 101 detection. Is it working? For everyone. This question is for everyone. See, I have drawn the diagram. Now please check. See, this particular one is not for this. Okay, this is for up. Check out. This is for 101 detection. That's what Swarup was telling something. 101 detection. Is it wrong or correct? So
It's correct. It's correct.
So instead of 3 states, you want to go for 4 states. That is what you are telling.
Yes, ma'am. Since we can
Okay,
also
now-
do this.
Just a second. Just a second. I will not complete. I will arrange this. Okay, we are okay with this, I guess. Just a second. I would agree unless I draw the state table. Because always we have every level of validations. See, A, A itself is going to be with 0 and 0. B is going to C and B. Output C is going to A and D. 0. D is going to C and D is going to A. The output 1. Is that fine? State table is fine?
Ma'am, output is 0, 0 for D.
Multiple. What is that, Shweta?
Ma'am, output is 0, 0 for D. For AC is equals to 0, it is 0, not 1.
Oh. Is it fine? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I find these two are equivalent. Isn't it? You check. See, you have told the state diagram, I followed that, and now when I use the state table, I got equivalent states. Why I have to waste? Isn't it? B and D seems to be equal for me. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now I have to do state reduction also, no? Because that's a part of our story. Our sequence shell circuit design has state diagram, then state table, then state reduction, then state assignment, then blah blah blah. So now my state has reduced. Why? Now Swarup, now you can see if you increase the state D, now automatically it got absorbed in B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So don't you think so? The question is answered or not? See, you have a request to increase, no problem, no doubt about it. But when you do the state table, that's what I was telling yesterday. See, whenever how many you want, you increase. But when you do the state table, automatically you will get the equivalent states. This is again a cross verification for you. Right? Saru, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. This is okay.
Yes. So now let's proceed with the
Yeah.
last argument. Yeah. Yes, go ahead. So
Ma'am,
last
one more
argument.
question is there that when we do state assignment,
State
for
assignment.
example, in this question only we have 3 states A, B, C, and we are doing state assignments. So while doing state assignments, is there any fix that we have to take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, or we can take
I didn't enter into the topic at all. State assignment is again having a different rules. Okay, it is not a fixed rules, and state assignment is what? I will treat A as 0, 0, 0, or I can treat A as 0, 0, 1 depending upon my application. Now see, A, B, C, these are the states, and this is what it is getting detected. 1, 0, 1 is getting detected. Okay, so because D became equivalent, but the assignment of A, B, and C doesn't follow these rules. It is completely different. State assignment, that's why I told user will provide the state assignment. But one thing is for sure, A, B, and C are different states. Okay, now hold on. Again, another thing is each state to be assigned consists of 3 bits or 2 bits or 1 bit. Oh, sorry, or 4 bits. How we can say? See, I can assign A equal to 0, 0, B equal to 1, 1, C equal to 0, 1. Will it be wrong? Take assignment. No, I'm getting assignment. Assignment means I can assign any number of bits. So those rules I didn't tell you yet. That's why till now they are in blocks only. We are calling them as ABC, and I'm giving the state table also as ABCs only. I'm not filling it up because I didn't go to the next level yet. Because once we master this, assignments are small rules are there. I will do that. Okay, Swaroop, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
But one rule now you can understand that A, B, and C have to be given 3 different assignments. They cannot be same. They cannot be same. Is that fine? So that is what I was telling. So minimum requirement for a Mealy circuit is equal to the number of bits to be identified. That is for sure. Even if you want to increase the state, it turns out to be equivalent. Right. So now let's get back to the interesting discussion. When we are trying to detect 101 as well as 1010, I am understanding, or we are getting a really different versions. Like some other sequences are also getting detected. Are we having an answers for that? Come on. Second semester fellows. Not second semester. You are what? 4th semester. Come on, answer. When we are in a hunt to detect this particular sequences, 2 sequences, 101 and 1010, right? We are getting some other things also getting detected. That is one. Okay, so let's check out if I want to detect like this, these 2 sequences. Use Mealy only. Is something else also will be detected? You can think about it. 11 and 110. These 2 particular sequences are getting detected. Right. Yesterday's class, when I was finishing off, I told to detect these 2.
0, 1, 1.
Just a second. Then Swaroop has come with an answer. I don't know why nobody has tried it. So when he told this, some other sequences I have pointed out from the state diagram that it is getting detected, and yes, it became true also. Right, but we don't know what is the formula behind it. We have to explore now. Right, if I give the formula, it's of no use, but we have to still explore. I want you guys to explore that more. Now, if at all I want to detect these 2 sequences at a stage in Mealy, consider only Mealy, forget about Moore. Once Mealy is done, Moore will be easy. Right, will there be any other sequences also getting detected? This question. Because this is 2-bit and this is 3-bit. If at all we go with the bit logic also. Because somebody told this is 3-bit and this is 4-bit. Is that one of the criteria? Because others are also getting detected. Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That's what. So now that will be gripping. Now think hard. So 11 and 110. So by fluke you can discuss also. Will any other sequence getting detected?
Ma'am, it will detect 0, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
Yes, by default. That means we are having some coincidence. What if at all one of the sequence is a part of the other sequence? Isn't it? Just see. I kept a coincidence. 1, 1 is a part of this. Isn't it?
It means we can't detect 2 different bits if they are overlapping. Like
Might.
one is coming.
Yes. You can make some rules like that. Very good. But hold on. When this we have done, we didn't have any ambiguity. This also we have done. We have tried this. We have done this. When this is getting detected, we didn't get any ambiguity.
But this is of same bit now. Like
see, now you can frame your rules. That's what I'm telling. When we are executing itself, we can understand this. That's what. So this is of same bit. We didn't get any ambiguity, though this is a part of this. Correct? Though first 2 are coinciding, 0 0 is coinciding with the next 0 0, but then also 2 4 bits same equal length sequence are getting detected. We already have the state diagrams of that, and no ambiguity has come. Other than these two, nothing has been detected, right? Problem came when my two sequences are different bits and one is a subset of this. Each one is a subset of the other. Then only I am getting some problems. Do we have a solution for this? Come on, engineers. Yes. What happened? Why you are silent? Think hard. Do we have a solution? Or can we have in general take a conclusion that yes, two bits are there, two sequences are there with the two different other. In that case, you can have other sequences also getting detected. Can we make a common statement like that? Or we should face some what? What is that? Some questions from others, like if at all we make a rule, such a rule, and put it in the site, so we will be crashed or what? See, along with you, I can also take the responsibility. Nothing. Give me a solution for this. Right? If at all, just think hard again, telling carefully, understand. Two sequences of different bit sizes, and each sequence is a subset of the other sequence. When we try to detect them, are we having some other sequences getting detected? Right? Now consider a real application that if at all the other sequences are also detected, where will be my privacy? Where is the privacy of the state machine? Because our state machine are designed only to detect these two. But if something else also crop up, what will happen? Are you understanding in the application point of view?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
So what is the solution for that? That everything gives 1. So how I will decode those? Because this is how the information is sent. And the security lines are like this only. Security packets will go if the perfect sequence will come, then the security packet will be sent.
Ma'am,
So yeah, please.
for for 1100, when we will detect 11, then it will detect 11. But when we are sending 110, it will detect 110.
1100. What is that you told?
No,
Just
no, ma'am. 11 it will detect. Then 110 it will detect.
okay. So first it will detect 11, then it will detect 110. Okay.
Now we will reset the machine to its initial then we will start we can detect like that, because after one 110, so for 0 we can reset, then
so that means you are having a checkpoints. That means 11 and 110, no overlaps. Get it back to machine to the reset state. That's what you are telling, Hassan?
Yes, ma'am, kinda.
Okay, so he found out that solution. Anybody else? Aishman, Abhijit, Amanjit. So many A's are there here. Let's go with C's. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think, Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, I have no idea.
Excellent answer. Harsh?
Yes, ma'am.
But your senior Harsh is
Ma'am.
very good actually.
Ma'am, I guess for this for 101 1010, it if 0 comes after one, after detection of 1010, if you will reset the machine, it will properly work, by adding some gates we can reset to initial position, so it will work correctly for both the inputs.
But for any inputs, that's what you are telling. Like that means every time a reset condition is definitely required. That's what you are telling, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is that the only solution report? Yeah, somebody else is telling. Aishman, come.
Ma'am, but if we use that logic, it will also detect 111.
Ah,
Since it will not reset because there is no 0.
yes. That's what I'm waiting for.
Ma'am, it
That.
will also detect 1 0.
Yes, Ranna. Right? So what we will do? We are now in a bazaar. Such type of problems nobody solved, or we are the only starting people.
Then best would be to fix the size of the bit. That
Fix the size
sequence
of the
bit.
bit. Oh. Okay. You know what? Part of the information theory and coding is taught you here now. Actually, it's actually a MTech level course. So information theory and code. Somebody told last one. Part of the what? Bits has to be equated, isn't it? Like two sequences has to be equated with an equal number of bits, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what the communication also tells, because the packet size is always fixed. What is packet? Packet is nothing but the bit sizes is always fixed. Information is always thrown out in packets, right? And the packet size will never change. It is fixed. Right. So this is what I wanted to point out when, if at all, we are trying to see such type of questions. Right. You have other things coming into picture. That means two different sizes. You can think two different packets. When you are trying to sync onto the same machine, it will be detecting something else also. Right. But still we have some more time to think harder. Can we avoid this? Can we have a way out of this? Other than resetting. Okay? Other than resetting, can we have a way out of this? If at all we can have a way, what is that? If you find a way, please tell me.
If we
Yes.
have if we make another control variable which will tell us what size of bit we are using. So if we are detecting 2-bit, we will output that one, and if we are detecting 3-bit, we will use another 0 strategy.
But question comes, just see, whenever we are completing the design, after the state table, we will go for the state assignment which the user is provided. After the state assignment, we will go for the sequential circuit, right, where we will take the flip-flops into consideration and then we will design. So there you wanted the controller to be kept. Or when we will have the controller? Like, see, your idea I am encouraging. You told some controller has to tell that 2-bit sequence is coming or 3-bit sequence is coming. But where I will incorporate practically, because my circuit will be coming after this. No? After this, now I will do the state assignment. Then I will tell, okay, use the flip-flop, particularly this one, and then design it. So then you will get the state equations, then draw the circuit diagram with synchronous mode or whatever mode. Fine. That's done. With the clock, you will do. But where I should incorporate the controller? I'm going to that bigger design. Right? What we can do? No more solutions? Teja. What Teja is doing? Nothing.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how was the movie? No answer. He understood what is the movie. Yes, Teja, what's the movie I was talking about?
Ma'am,
I understood. See, I did check out what movie, what movie got released recently? You have seen? No lockdown rules for you? See, definitely Orissa people didn't get that, and other people also won't get that. Only you guys only will get that. Whole world is in something other mode. Only you Gultis are in other mode, isn't it?
no, ma'am.
No, you didn't go for movie. Let me check with Aditya. Aditya? No answer. Taraka, Aditya. Karan is good. Karan might have watched that movie. Which movie I don't know. Tarun? Tarun? Not there. Shishir Kumar. See all? how come all the buildings are in one zone? Piyush. Okay. So no other questions. Hey, what I will do with this one? The controller where to keep? Somebody told me controller. See, let me go back to the controller. Yes, Ayushman. Ayushman, you have told the controller, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So where
Ma'am,
you will
so
put?
what I was saying that instead of taking just one state as output 1 or 0, we can take like 1 0 and 1 1 as output. So when we are having 1 0 as output, we are sure that 3 bit is coming, and when we are having 1 1 as output, we can say that 2 bit of sequence is used.
Okay, so you wanted to do something with the output notations, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Possibility? Yes, possibility is there. Okay, good. But anyway, today night, do as much research as possible. Okay, check out all the books, the internet, everything. Any state diagram without this type, like this particular sequence. Try to work out. Without, what? Other sequences getting detected. If you get that, then we will get train some rules. If we will not, so we will go with your designs. Is that okay? Right? Okay. I guess you have class, right? Next class.
Yes, ma'am.
What class? Whose class?
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
Rudra sir's, na? Okay, then you can join that. Chalo, thank you.